Oh, so it's early morning, July 28th. As you can see, I got the old U-Haul behind me and getting ready to start getting everything ready to hit the road, heading up to Fredericksburg, Texas. It's time for me to start unloading a lot of these old parts I've been holding on for years. So I'm actually setting up at a swap meet, the Hill County Swap Meet in Fredericksburg, Texas. And yeah, so hopefully I come home with a lighter trailer and not buy more. I am kind of looking for a back seat for the 68 and maybe a couple of little 59 parts, but I doubt I find anything. But it's time to get rid of a lot of this stuff. So here we go. All right, so we're stopped halfway between San Antonio and well, I guess the halfway part of San Antonio. Oh, heading up to heading up to Fredericksburg, Texas for the Hill County Swap Meet. Got the trailer all loaded down, so we had to stop and get some snacks. Have to have road snacks. So, back in the car we go as the trip continues.
You are about a quarter of a mile from your desk.
So we're here in Kerrville, Texas. I'm going to be staying the night here at one of the Wyndham hotels because I'm only setting up on Saturday. So I'm going to stay here and then get up early in the morning, take my butt about 30-40 minutes to Fredericksburg, and then start setting everything up and getting ready for the swap meet. Feels good to be back home. The swap meet. Got rid of some parts. Didn't bring any big stuff home. That's always a plus. But then again, I turned around and I bought some seats for the 68 convertible. They're out of what was it? This is Chevy Impala or Chevelle. So, but they'll work pretty good. Just need to be reupholstered. Still have some parts left over from the swap meet. I don't know what I'm going to do just yet. I may go set up in another one. There's a couple coming up in October and November, so I may do that. Oh, and I'm still trying to recoup from that trip. So, still going to post some videos here on my TikTok of me scooting around on the scooter, checking some stuff out. So make sure to check that out. I hope everybody had an amazing weekend. And yeah, I'm going to relax a little bit more today and I got some stuff I got to put up, so hope everybody has a fantastic week.